was a child walking with giants 100 feet tall. Out in the wild, you wouldn't believe all the things that I saw. I took a high road out in the open under those stars, and all the while I just got closer to going too far. So now I'm running like you set me free out in the wild. I know you want me to come home, but it might take a while. I got my heart in my hands while my head's up in the clouds, and only heaven knows if I will make it back to you.
Inilah Abdia Motor Adventure tahun 2019. 3, 2, 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya selaku Kapolres Jabar Daya dalam acara Abdia Adventure kali ini saya mengharapkan kepada seluruh generasi milenial untuk lebih sadar dan mencintai tertib lalu lintas. Bahwasanya tertib lalu lintas adalah kebutuhan masing-masing individu untuk ke depan bisa lebih baik kembali.